Hi, my name is Marielle van den Hoed and I'm from the Delft University and our team is called WASUB.
How many members has your team and since when do you build submarines?
We got in total 18 members, 3 of which are full-time members and 15 are part-timers, so they just do it next to their studies. I started this year, some of the members started last year.
Could you please tell me something about your submarine? What makes it special?
Well, we actually got 2 major improvements this year, one of which is the counter-rotating propeller. Most teams use differential systems to make propellers counter-rotating, and we got a double planetary gear system inside the propeller itself. So it saves us a lot of room and also reduces resistance. The other major improvement we made this year is the expelled diver's air from inside the sub. Most teams drill holes, but we didn't want to do that because the air will just go into the propeller and that gives a lot more resistance. So we wanted to really get it out of our way. So what we did is we attached tubes to the regulator and we expel the air from the top wing in the middle. So if you look at the sub, you can see the holes inside of the wing, and that's where the expelled air gets out.
What do you think what is interesting about building submarines?
Well, the submarines, it's really hard to fix it. Everything's underwater. Underwater makes it hard on everything. We know a lot about the air, we know a lot about driving, and we just don't know a lot about fixing stuff underwater. Making things watertight, especially with electronics, that was a big issue, and I found it really, really interesting, complicated but interesting to try and solve it. And we also found that many companies were interested as well in the problems we had and solved, because they think they can use it in their own machinery and gear for underwater. So I think that it is a real big engineering challenge, building stuff underwater, and there's not been many studies in it yet. And this is a major first step to take in underwater technologies.
And what makes this event worth traveling around the world?
Well, I think it's really cool to see all the other teams and all the other different solutions to basically the same problem. You have to make a submarine human-powered underwater and you have to steer. And we think we found the best solution, but now you see all the other teams and all the other solutions and you learn a lot from them. And also every team wants to see the other teams race. Everybody knows how much work it is to make a submarine. And that makes all the people wanting to help each other too. We've been helping out some teams with our tools because we were able to bring a lot of tools from Holland and they couldn't bring it from America or anything further away. And on the contrary, they are helping us very well with sorting out some electrical problems or water tightness issues. And yeah, I think it's really cool that there's a slight competition, but also a lot of help from all the teams.